This gorilla fell while climbing a building in New York, but fortunately nothing happened to him because of his strength and muscles, and because he broke his fall with a nearby car. This is in contrast to an orangutan who was almost at the top of a building, and someone was filming him from a window. He was so confident that he ended up slipping into the void, but witnesses say he is safe and unharmed. Similarly, this chimpanzee in Los Angeles tried to climb a building out of curiosity but ended up falling. People caught him and nothing happened to him, just like this baboon who was climbing and slipped and fell onto a mat, and nothing bad happened to these monkeys.